How to create YouTube shorts from existing video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily create YouTube shorts from existing video directly on YouTube. If you have some great content already uploaded, you can quickly turn it into YouTube shorts to reach a wider audience. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app. Make sure that you are logged in into your YouTube account. Once you have opened it, simply go to the YouTube studio by clicking on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your YouTube studio, browse through your content and choose the video you want to turn into shorts. And this will open the video page. On the video page, you will see the option Remix. Simply tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Edit into a short, and YouTube will automatically open the Shorts editor. Now, YouTube will display a section of your video in the Shorts editor. You can use the editing tools to trim the video down to 60 seconds or less than that. Since YouTube Shorts have 60-second limits, adjust the timeline to choose the most engaging and interesting part of your video. And once you are done with all that, you can simply tap on Next. And you will be prompted to a page where you can add music, text, or effect to your shots. And once you are done with all that, you can simply tap on Upload Shorts, and your shorts will be uploaded in the YouTube. And that's it. You have successfully created a YouTube Shorts from an existing video directly on YouTube. It's quick, easy, and a great way to repurpose your content for a new audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.